Good morning. Local news for Thursday the 23rd of November. A sharp jolt woke some and shook others yesterday morning. The quake was the second in the region yesterday, with a 3.5 at Castle Point at 1:45 in the morning. The other 3.5 quake struck north of Martinborough at around 7:15 and was 20 kilometres in depth. Masterton's newest entertainment venue opens today. The screening room and eatery will commence training from 10 a.m. in Kirripuni under the ownership of Eve and Travis Clive Griffin, formerly of Salute in Greytown. And someone who bought their lucky lotto ticket at Fresh Choice in Greytown will be very happy this morning. Their Powerball ticket is one of two with $19 million. And congratulations to whomever has won it. And in sport, a huge congratulations to Quinn Childs on his selection to represent CD Under-19s cricket in their tournament in Christchurch. Held from the 4th to the 12th of December, the tournament will be played in Lincoln. And good luck to St Mary's at their primary school tournament as well in Christchurch, which kicks off today. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.